Alright, so my garage door button is not working. Pushing the button, the light comes on, back off, but the door nothing. The LED lights flash. Nothing with the door. That's what we do here. Alright, the wiring looks okay. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to unplug and allow it to reset. Unplug the motor and unplug the wireless system. Alright. It's completely unplugged. We're going to wait for a few minutes. Okay, time to plug back in again. Alright. Alright. The power. Okay. Alright, let's go back to the door button and see what happens. Okay, so we're gonna push the button again. Still nothing. Alright, well, go to the next step. Okay, so do a short circuit on the connector here. And there we go. So the button is dead. There it is. Okay, now we're going to take a look on the door button. I'm going to remove it from the one. Okay. And see what's going on. Quite a challenge to work with one hand. Okay, so just gonna double check those connectors. Okay, wow, it works. One intermittent connection on this button. All right, we're gonna put it back then. Perfect. Problem solved. I'm gonna pause the video. All right, button is back, and now it works. Alright, so now the door is working. Yeah. So all I had to do was to wiggle the wires here. Just remove it and install it back, and now it's working. Fine. That's it, folks.